All right. So now that you know, because we don't throw darts in the board when we market, we know 100% where people are buying. You could go in FMLS. Let me teach you something real quick. I've done this with multiple you guys. I know I've done it with Ashley down in Crestview. Oh, that's my email. Okay, boom. I need to pull this up. So I've done this with Juanita before. I know that for sure. Let's find the perfect candidate. You guys can do this. You can open up your FMLS and do this as well. How about that? Browser. Let's make it bigger. Boom. All right. So I'm in Atlanta right now, and I'm just going to pull up FMLS. I'm going to show you something. This is going to be, this is how you decide where to market. How you decide where to market. I think that's my password. Oh. All right, cool. All right. This is how you decide where to market. You can do this in your market. Doesn't matter. So let's say I live in Gwinnett County. I live in Lawrenceville. And let's say I want to find listings near me. I want to know what people are buying. Write this down. You got to know what people want so you can give it to them. If we're, I'm going to relate everything to relationships. If we go out on a date and you're taking somebody out on a date, you should take them where they want to go or a level up on what they want to go, right? So if you want to impress them, right? If they like steak in Atlanta, you're going to go to Chops or some other place like that. That's this level, not just steak. We're not going to just go to Outback, even though I do like Outback. You're going to go to Chops, Bones, something like that, where you can get a $75 steak versus a $25 steak if you want to impress them. And in marketing, we're trying to impress everybody. Keep that in mind. So you must first know what they want. So what you should be writing down is the people that are moving up, what do they want in a house? What do they want? You should have a list of what they want. How many bedrooms? How many bathrooms? What size house is it? Is it in a golf course community? Is it on a lake? Is it, and we're talking about not specific markets. We're talking about the general people who are moving up in the price point you guys mentioned. What do they want, right? What do they want? How old are they? Do they have any kids? What do they do for a living? You should know all about your ideal client, which we talked about last week. This is how you have to market. This is when I market, I'm showing you exactly what I do. This is exactly what I do. I get a blank piece of paper and I write down what's in it for them. Who is my ideal client that I'm trying to target, right? And I'll ask myself all the questions that I'm asking you guys. You have to know this answer to these questions because otherwise you don't know how to target them.